the Redmi Note 10T 5G that is here to surpass the performance benchmarks for the 5G era. Let's start with the design. As you know, the Redmi Note series comes with the evolved design, designed with love. The Redmi Note 10T 5G carries on the same legacy and is here with us flaunting 4 new colors, presenting the marvelous metallic blue, the magnificent mint green, the classy chromium white, and the gorgeous of all, the graphite black. Let us know your favorite color by tagging us on our social media handles with the hashtag fast and futuristic. Now that we have seen how gorgeous this smartphone looks, let's head straight into the fast and futuristic, the Redmi Note 10T 5G. Let's see how the T brings out the technology in this smartphone. Now, we know how important performance is for all of our fans, and for a long time, it has been an ask from our fans that we launch a Redmi phone with a Dimensity chipset. You asked, we heard you, and now we are implementing this. And now, since we are talking about the performance, the fast and futuristic, the Redmi Note 10T 5G comes with the mighty Dimensity 700, which is built on a 7nm architecture chipset, which is the first ever smartphone from the house of Redmi being powered by the Dimensity chipset. Furthermore, the chipset is loaded with an octa-core processor boasting of 2 A76 Cortex cores clocked up to 2.2 GHz and the remaining 6 A55 Cortex cores clocked up to 2 GHz. The GPU has a Mali G57 with Valhalla architecture, delivering high-end performance with high-end efficiency. This GPU brings premium experiences by delivering 30% more energy efficient performance, 30% more performance density, and 60% improvement in machine learning capabilities. Coupled with the Vulkan API, which enhances the high-end gaming experience in the Valhalla architecture, there is a new superscalar engine which can execute more than one instruction by simultaneously sending multiple instructions to execute, which can then be dynamically scheduled. This will help to increase the overall efficiency of the GPU. Altogether, it improves performance, enables much faster device responsiveness, lets the users play games for much longer, and provides significantly smoother experiences while viewing 3D content. Furthermore, Mali G57 significantly improves machine learning inference performance. The Redmi Note 10T 5G has around 42% higher GPU score compared to the previous version, which has Mali G52 GPU. All these together help the Redmi Note 10T 5G reach a whopping AnTuTu score of 296K. To top it all, the device also comes with the ultra-fast UFS 2.2 storage, which by the way is 100% faster than UFS 2.1, and that helps you execute your everyday tasks much faster. Multitasking, app loading, read-write, everything is substantially faster with UFS 2.2, just the way you want it to be. And for the delight of all those who want to store tons of things on their device, the phone comes with up to 1 TB of expandable storage. Now, let's have a quick look to see how the Redmi Note 10T 5G performs. Now comes the section which you guys are most excited about, the 5G network capabilities on the phone. When you compare the speeds on a 4G network with that of a 5G network, you can expect to see a jump of over 1000% faster speeds. How does the Dimensity 700 and 5G technology work? The 5G modem is integrated into the same chip as all the other processing components like CPU, GPU, camera imaging and AI processors rather than putting the modem in a separate chip all by itself. The big advantage of this design is that it uses significantly lesser power and has a much smaller total footprint. Also, another good news is that the Redmi Note 10T 5G comes with dual SIM 5G support. Hey guys, that doesn't mean the SIM card slots do not support 4G network. Just kidding, I know you guys are all aware of that. For all the gamers in the house, the Redmi Note 10T 5G comes with our all-famous Game Turbo mode. With the help of Dimensity 700 and the 5G network, online gaming would be an absolute pleasure on this device. To enhance that experience even further, the smartphone comes with a 90Hz refresh rate display. Yes, you heard that right. But we weren't only thinking about just the gamers here. No offense to them. We wanted all our users to experience the best of the best, and hence the Redmi Note 10T 5G comes with a display which has adaptive refresh rate. This display is so smart that it can detect the kind of application that you're using and accordingly sync the required refresh rate on the display. In short, this means that when the user is watching a video playing back, the smart adaptive refresh rate will automatically adjust to 30 Hz. When the display of a user is static, the refresh rate shifts to 50 Hz. Similarly, while streaming videos, the refresh rate shifts to 60 Hz, and for the gamers and busy scrollers, the display shifts to a swift 90 Hz. This further also helps the user with much better battery optimization. To make the experience even better, for the readers, we have the all-new Reading Mode 3.0, which basically turns the page into a parchment texture, which helps reduce the strain on your eyes. In addition to these, we also have a smart 360-degree ambient light sensor that can adapt the screen brightness depending on the surrounding brightness and ambience. Now that you know about our amazing display technology, you must be wondering, but what about the camera? And to explain it in all its depth, let me call upon Sandeep Sharma to walk you through our amazing triple camera island design and its capabilities. Over to you, Sandeep.
Thank you, Murli. The phone surely has got both the looks and performance to kill. Well, what about the camera setup then? Let me take you through it. At Xiaomi, we believe that great camera output happens when we marry great hardware with great software and processing. The image algorithm has been tweaked in such a way that you get the best possible output from the sensors in any lighting condition. A quick look at these images and you will be able to see great dynamic range. There's plenty of detail to work with, and a quick shutter ensures that everything you capture is sharp. The cinematic mode also helps capture some amazing content for your social media or YouTube channel. If you don't believe us, you can see for yourselves in this comparison where the benefits of the Redmi Note 10T 5G camera are quite obvious. You would notice better detail in the shadows compared to the competing 5G device, as well as more lifelike skin tones and better detail and sharpness, while the subject looks blotchy on the other device. In portrait mode, you also get superior edge detection and bokeh on the Note 10T 5G. Now, the 48-megapixel sensor captures plenty of detail, especially when you use the full 48-megapixel mode, which allows you to crop in later and even reframe the photo. The Redmi Note 10T 5G takes images with better dynamic range thanks to superior image algorithm from Xiaomi. The Note 10T has superior edge detection as well in terms of portrait shots, and you have better sharpness and overall more lifelike skin tones. All these and more make the Redmi Note 10T 5G the best 5G camera phone in its segment. So that's all from my side for today, and having said that, over to you, Murli.
Thanks, Sandeep. You truly are the camera guru. So now, in order to power up all of these challenging tasks, the smartphone holds a massive 5000 mAh 2-day battery, which helps you power through all of your tasks throughout the day with ease. And with the 7nm architecture on the Dimensity 700 and the integrated 5G modem, along with the adaptive refresh rate, it is for sure that the battery optimization on this device will punch way above its weight. Just have a look at these stats to get a better understanding for how long the device can perform and cater to your day-to-day needs. So overall, This 5000 mAh 2-day battery will help power through all of your regular usage without having to reach for the charger. Now, let's talk about something that we at the House of Redmi are very passionate about: the quality aspects of the Redmi Note 10T 5G. As you know, we at Redmi believe in quality products, and the Redmi Note 10T 5G is no exception. The smartphone is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass to prevent accidental scratches. The Redmi Note 10T 5G is also splash-proof protected by P2I. The smartphone also has dual graphite sheets for heat dissipation. It has corrosion-proof ports and rubberized seals to ensure your smartphone is ready to adapt to your lifestyle and meet all the vagaries and challenges of the environment that we see around us. Apart from all of these quality features, the Redmi Note 10T 5G also brings with it multiple hands-free voice assistants, an IR blaster to control various home appliances in your home, a 3.5mm audio jack which is high-res audio certified and is proudly made in India. So there you see how the Redmi Note 10T 5G is set to provide you with a fast and futuristic experience with the Dimensity 700 7nm architecture chipset, the power of 5G with an integrated modem, a fabulous display with 90Hz adaptive refresh rate, and all of this at an honest price. Here is a small sneak peek into the fast and futuristic Redmi Note 10T 5G. Coming to the pricing of the Redmi Note 10T 5G. We are glad to announce that the Redmi Note 10T 5G will have a special introductory offer. During the introductory offer, the 4GB 64GB variant is priced at only 13,999 and the 6GB 128GB variant is priced at only 15,999. On top of this, there is also a special bank offer for all you folks. Avail up to ₹1,000 discount with HDFC Bank credit cards and easy EMIs. The Redmi Note 10T 5G will be available from the 26th of July across Mi.com, Mi Homes, Amazon, and all of our retail partners. Now that you've learned everything about the Redmi Note 10T 5G, here is